The hotel industry is a fast-paced, high-pressure environment that takes a whole network of workers and departments to keep everything running smoothly. Serving a variety of purposes, hotels have the opportunity to provide customers with a great, memorable experience, or be a dark spot on an otherwise great trip. Here are the top 10 tips for managing a hotel. Number 10. Build and lead a great team. As a hotel manager, you are only as good as the team around you. That is why forming and fostering a great team is of utmost importance. This means you have to hire the right people with the right skills, attitude, and character that will help your team achieve your goals. Focus on developing a company culture that reflects the goals of the company. Connect with workers and be present in the life of the hotel. As a manager, a compliment and a smile go a long way to developing a positive team environment. Number 9. Always learning and improving. Hotel managers are often a jack of all trades because their position forces them to be. If you do not already have an attitude ready to learn and innovate, you need to work at developing that as quickly as possible. Developing a keen eye to spot problems and areas of weakness will greatly allow your hotel to continue improving and ensure your ability to offer a satisfactory customer experience. Number 8. Greet your guests. Be present to those staying in your hotel and take every opportunity you have to give your guests the impression that you are on their side, ready to ensure a great experience. Number 7. Be prepared for emergencies. With the possibility of hundreds or even thousands of people staying in your hotel, it is important that you have a clear plan for emergencies. This includes evacuation procedures clearly marked in each room, as well as a communication plan for any type of emergency. Because the availability of electricity is not always an option during these situations, it is important to have a communication channel that is not dependent on electricity. A battery-powered portable PA system is the perfect option. The Radio Hailer emergency communication system from Amplibox allows users to communicate over 1 mile to a crowd of up to 5,000 people, and the safety strobe megaphone will record your emergency message and play it back amplified. Number 6. Strategic business relationships. When running a business or organization, there is nothing as powerful as a mutually beneficial business relationship. Brainstorm different partnerships that you can form and benefits that you can offer to the potential partner, and then go for it. Whether it be offering guest coupons to a local restaurant, offering discounts through tourist destinations, or partnering with local universities and corporations, strategic business relationships can be a powerful way to ensure a constant stream of people are coming through your doors. Number 5. Be internet savvy. There are several reasons why hotels and restaurants need to be internet savvy, and the 3 main reasons are marketing. All hoteliers want to know how to better market and brand themselves. Using social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is a great way to connect with potential customers. An example of a useful YouTube video is to make a 2-minute video that captures the top 5 reasons that your hotel rocks. Make a website locally optimized for search. This is an easy way to connect your hotel to those looking for a hotel in your specific area. Submitting your hotel's address and website on Google Maps and Places will pay dividends for years to come as well. Number 2. Customer service. More and more hotel reservations are being booked online. For the convenience of your guests, offer online booking and make sure that your hotel is listed on sites like Expedia, Kayak, and Priceline. Number 3. Reputation management. Oftentimes, a small fraction of customers who had a bad experience are more likely to write a negative review than the overwhelming majority of those who had a great experience. This can pose to be a problem for those in the hotel industry. Being aware of this and taking steps to fight this potential danger is imperative. Try offering incentives for guests to review your hotel on Yelp, TripAdvisor, and other sites where reviews are posted, and respond to certain complaints professionally. Number 4. Have the right equipment. Hotels need to have the right hotel equipment to maintain their business and daily activities. Transportation for airport shuttles, the right lecterns and podiums in your conference room, and the right public address systems within the hotel are important. The Victoria Solid Hardwood Multimedia Lectern from Amplibox is the perfect addition to any meeting or conference room. The classic style, multimedia functionality, built-in sound system, and portability makes the Victoria a favorite among hoteliers and presenters alike. Number 3. Boundaries. Because being a hotel manager is a 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year position, you need to make sure that you have the right boundaries in place so your job doesn't overtake the rest of your life. You owe it to your family, friends, and health to block out time for important people in your life, as well as time for yourself. Consequences of a failure to set boundaries are being burnt out and not enjoying anything you do. Number 2. The customer is always right. Always. Listen to complaints and don't just fix them, fix the root problem behind them. Turn the weakness into a strength by using the complaint as an opportunity to improve the way your hotel functions. And the number 1 tip for hotel managers: have fun. As a manager, it may seem like you have a never-ending list of things to do. Enjoy your guests, enjoy your staff, and enjoy your work. Good attitudes rub off on those around you, and as a hotel manager, you have a great opportunity to impact and influence your work environment and to foster hard work and fun in the workplace. Good luck running your hotel.